Hey guys, today we're gonna be flying this plane from over there. So, okay, are you ready? Can you hear me? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? I'm gonna throw. Can you hear me? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, it was so good. It flew so hard that the tip almost broke. Oh my, the tip almost broke. From two. What happens if I combine two? 3, 2, 1. Go! Well, that's it for today. Goodbye, guys. See you next time I make a video.